Module 1 of the Blues and Rock Improvisation course takes you from learning a pentatonic scale right through to learning how to expressively and confidently solo over a 12-bar blues progression. I run experience days here at the school where guitarists of all ages and abilities come in, and I teach them across a full day workshop how to improvise over a blues. Some feedback that I've received from the community has been, I live in another country, or I live just that little bit too far away to come and see you in person. Is there a way that you can digitise this course so that I can take it at my leisure at home? And that's what this is. This 14-lesson course is designed to take you from learning your first shape of the minor pentatonic scale right the way through to using all 5 positions, including bends, slides, hammer-ons and vibrato. If you're new to improvising or you feel like you're stuck in the box, this course is for you. Bolt onto the scales and the techniques that we talk about to embellish your improvisation. We also talk about how to jam with other people, how to call and response phrasing, how to play over 7th chords, and how to survive your first blues jam. If your playing feels mechanical or you're just running up and down scales, adding the techniques and scales and concepts in this course will help break you out of that box. Members of the Kirklees Guitar School Academy have immediate access to this already. If you are not a member of the Academy but would like to take this course, head to the first link in the description and you can